Welcome to Factful Finance, where we break down the complexities of finance and give you the tools to make informed decisions. Now, did you know that vehicle financing has undergone major shifts over the last few years? From the rise of electric vehicles to new financing options, the way we pay for cars is changing. Let's explore what the future holds and how you can stay ahead of the curve. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. This is for educational purposes only. For personalized advice, be sure to consult a professional. Vehicle financing is evolving rapidly. A decade ago, your options for car financing were relatively straightforward. Loans through traditional banks or dealerships. But today, that's changing, and the future looks even more interesting. First, let's talk about electric vehicles, EVs. As the demand for eco-friendly transportation grows, we're seeing more financial institutions offering specialized loans for electric cars. These loans often come with lower interest rates and more flexible terms, making EVs more accessible. For example, in 2023, nearly 10% of all new car sales in the US were electric, and that number is expected to rise dramatically in the coming years. With governments offering incentives and manufacturers rolling out new, more affordable models, EV financing is poised to expand. Next, we're seeing the rise of subscription-based car financing models. Instead of owning or leasing a vehicle, consumers can subscribe to a car service. This allows for more flexibility with car ownership, offering the option to switch vehicles every few months. Think of it as Netflix for cars. While it's not mainstream just yet, it's becoming a more attractive option, particularly in urban areas where car ownership is becoming less practical due to traffic and parking constraints. Experts predict that subscription services could become a significant player in vehicle financing by 2030. Then there's the shift toward digital financing. Traditionally, buying a car involved hours of paperwork at the dealership. But now, more and more people are using online platforms to secure car loans. This shift to digital has been accelerated by the pandemic, and it's likely to stick around. According to a 2024 report, 43% of car buyers now finalize their financing online before setting foot in a dealership. This trend is making the process faster and more transparent. Let's not forget the role of credit scores in financing. While credit scores will always play a crucial role, the future of vehicle financing is also likely to involve more nuanced evaluations. Lenders are increasingly looking at factors beyond just credit scores, such as income, job stability, and even spending behavior. This means that if you've had a few hiccups with your credit in the past, but are now on more stable financial footing, you might still qualify for favorable terms. And as we look to the future, we can't ignore the technology that's transforming car financing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are helping lenders assess risks more accurately, leading to better offers for consumers. These technologies are also driving more competitive interest rates, as they allow financial institutions to offer personalized terms based on an individual's unique financial situation. What does this all mean for you? Well, if you're in the market for a vehicle, staying informed about these emerging trends could help you secure better financing options. For instance, if you're thinking about switching to an electric vehicle, now might be the time, as incentives and specialized loans could make that transition more affordable. To wrap things up, vehicle financing is evolving in exciting ways, from EV loans to digital platforms and subscription services. As the landscape shifts, staying ahead of these trends can empower you to make the best decisions for your financial future. So what's your next move? Will you consider an electric vehicle for your next car purchase? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our future content.